Welcome back to part 2, creating a custom photo gallery, CS5, and we're using Adobe Bridge. Okay, as you can see, what we're going to do here, just start from scratch. Open up Adobe Bridge, and hopefully you have everything on your desktop. These are the pictures that we're going to insert into our photo gallery. Now, I've been toying with it a little bit. First thing you want to do is highlight all of them. And you can do that by hitting Control Shift. I think you can, and get them all. And just click on that. And then once you got them all highlighted, make sure that you got the output preview. Refresh the preview. And make sure you're on the output tab up here. You wouldn't be able to see that if you weren't. So if you were in the screen, you'd be all mixed up. Meta tags, nice, yes, and output is where we want to be at output preview. Okay, now that we have that taken care of, instead of going with the standard, what we're going to go with is the film strip. And as you can see down, the gallery title is going to be called just landscaping. And whatever yours is going to be called, you shall name that now. I do not want to have a caption. You could put one and see what it looks like. No other description. No contact name. No user domains. You can put your email in here, but you cannot put a web address or any other information. Copyright. I'm not even going to show the title bar. I want to show the title. Just a title. Landscaping. So you scroll down. You can fiddle with the colors. I kind of like the way Adobe has structured it. Now this has changed. If you're using CS4, you can just change the Adobe Bridge in here. I don't think you have all these little change the thumbnail size. But how we're going to change these thumbs is by enlarging this to about 50. And that'll be 50 wide. Let's make it 100. That'll actually change. We refresh. These should be larger now. Now we can go ahead and preview it in the browser. 100 pixels wide is thumbnail, I think, is plenty. And that's 100 pixels wide. If you'd like it larger, you can also do that with your preview picture. Let's see what we want to do here. It actually gives you the pixels. That's fine. 675 is just fine. Once you do that, you can either send it to your FTP server, okay, or I prefer to just leave it on the desktop, and it'll give you kick out a folder that you can throw right into your site. And if it's not, you can put your FTP server name if you only have one gallery. But remember, it does leave it as an index page, so you just might want to stay away from that, because we wouldn't want to see it override your regular index page. Just keep it on the desktop and keep it away from your server. It might be the best option. And just come down to the bottom and click Save. This folder's already made because I already did it while you weren't looking. And the photo gallery is created. What we want to do now, minimize this. We're going to come down to Dreamweaver. We're coming quite a long way here. All these folders, and each one of these folders is going to be on this particular page. In my case, so I'm just going to view in the preview in Firefox. Oh, I want to go to my work page, the wrong page, but if you see what I mean here, landscaping renovations. So this would be one job, this would be another job, and each one of these pictures that you click on is going to be a gallery. So you can have a gallery of a gallery, a very extensive gallery. Right here we have 7 pictures in each one. It's 28. Now if you get 28 pictures and times that times 28, well, I'm not a mathematician, but you can throw 20, you can throw as many photos inside here as you'd like. So right now we have 1. We're going to show you how to do 1, and you can do the rest. I landed on my site, and I created a folder called Photos. We're going to throw it in there, and we're going to minimize that. We're going to get to yard maintenance and all the rest of them while we're here, and just copy them all. Copy them all. Sometimes it doesn't work when you copy outside of Dreamweaver, but see the paste? It's not there because it wants you to drag them in, I guess. And the only way I could drag them in is one at a time. Or maybe we could drag the whole bunch in. Let's just go. All photos. See what happens. Could feel something happening here. Let go of my mouse. And there they are. They're inside the photos. Well, that went well. And file here must look like this. Now remember this. The name of your site, if it's at bobs.com, be bobs.com/photos, because they're inside the photos and they're also inside the yard maintenance. So we're talking about a long URL, but you can make them shorter if you want, you know. It's real simple. You just browse up to your browser. And I got half of the browser done named. And we just created it, and it's finally loaded. There it is. So we're going to grab this URL, and your URL will follow along. So whatever your .com or .net or .org or whatever it is slash, wherever you put it. I put it in my photos. Keep them in your photos. They're all photos. Another slash. Now, each photo that you have, the gallery, you want to name that folder. Now, mine's is complex. It's got yard, and it's got a dash, and it's got maintenance. Just don't have to be that complex. It could just be like photos like the garage. Not even the garage, just like the garage. Well, you know what I mean. And then it's going to end with another slash and the name of the individual page. Just so you know, just this is the resource. Well, sure is. It's part of all the resources in here. And they got images, large, medium, thumb. Want to go through them? It's a pain in the butt. That's why I like Flash to do it, and so on. So we know that's there. We have it. We copied the URL. We'll copy the URL. I was copied before. Whoa! See that move? I was copied when you weren't looking. I'll copy again, just to keep up the pace. And now, right where here is this iframe. Now you could create a div, a simple div. Web gallery is the name of it, div. If you wanted to do it, I have it in page. If we want to get into divs, we are going to get into some simplistic stuff. Hell, I do divs anyway. I'm going to scroll up here. We're getting the anchor tags in such bookwork right now. just to put the cart forward, we're going to put this. So what you should do right now, copy that code down. That's all you need to do. I'll give you a little time to copy the code. Get some code of my own to do. And right in between there, just right click and paste the code in there. Guarantee it. Let's have a look. Now how I did that? Well, I just wondered what I did. If you didn't see it, I mean, come on, sometimes it's got to be blind. I'll do it again. We put the URL in there, boom, and slowly previewing Firefox, and there it is. Now it's mighty small. These are mighty small pictures. I said it. Even 600 pixels. I'm afraid his pictures don't exceed the legal limit. So our work is done. I'm placing it inside, and if you want to follow along, don't make sense. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm not into saying rate, subscribe, rate. Every of them guys rate, subscribe. Well, no wonder. So that's it for Bridge, and I'm going to check out the next episode, which will be dealing with name anchor tags, specifically in the photo gallery just made. I'll be answering any questions if you have them. Name anchor tag, and thanks for joining us. And an F10.